Good morning, mate. So, karon ang second day sa among outing diri. So, uban ng uli na. Kami ang pabilin pero manguli na may mga 11 or 12. Kami nila nga pabilin. You girl. Can't find you. Oh, there you are. So, how was the water?
The water is super ice cold.
It's so cold.
Yeah, and it's super deep here. It's like I can't
Yeah.
even reach it.
Are you having fun there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm just going to do
Some yoga? You want some yoga? Okay, just enjoy the water and have fun.
Okay, bye.
More muna. Manghugas og plato ang may mga partner. So, oh my god. So, manghugas og plato. Kaya para pag uli, okay na ang tanan. Di ba? May partner di. Hugas lang og plato. Okay, mates, we'll go home. No chargers.
Dito na lang, oy. Dito na lang.
No. Okay, let's go. Move your little butts up.
Wala na ako'y secret. Wala na iligo sa jeep ko.
Wakoy ligo, pero humot kay ko. Me? Humot kay na. Oh, what are you doing, dude?
And it's throwing some water.
Is that your pee?
No.
No?
It's supposed to be yellow to pee.
No, there's a white pee.
White?
When you drink a lot of water.
But I didn't drink that much water.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
Okay, my mate Kylie is spilling water
Yeah.
and getting water in the pool
Jo, nana siya, Jo.
and putting it back in the water. And she's like playing water.
This.
Say goodbye to the house.
Goodbye, house!
Goodbye. Okay, ready na tanan? Ready na? Ready na?
Ayaw may kuha kay Bitingiga ka.
Wala na mo babuhat.
Ang po sa si Maymay doon.
Okay. Busy kislo. Check gulatan.
Wala ko sa.
Kami dahil. Second time na rin ako ng anhi dire. So, ang view sa Pattaya. Init mo kay Droid.
I don't have money right
Oh, namin dire sa viewpoint. Pattaya viewpoint. Mao ba ni? Pattaya viewpoint. Sando-sando ako no. Secret nga nag-sando-sando ko.
now. Ligo.
Ay mong saba-saba ba? Wa lagi ko ligo. Wala na init ka no.
Ticho.
My god, Ticho.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Can you
God.
believe it? Ayaw siya ni-click katong nagpalakaw ko diri.
Can you believe it, guys? Mo niya na sila na nag-anniversary karon. Ilahang I mean dili that anniversary ilahang 4-year anniversary. Dili gid that anniversary.
Okay na may gilubong sa.
Ilang 4-year. Oh, sorry guys. Ako nagyaw na sad ko kon ako nag-picture mo good me sorry kaya ha.
Okay.
Picture sa amin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So, mao ni sila ang nag-anniversary karon. Yeah, ang lighting, ikuan ang lighting. Kana. Ikuan ang lighting, atong ikuan.
Yeah. Para din kayo silaw ba?
Oh. Wow.
Boss.
Oh. Grabe kay. It's so hot. Mates, it's so hot. Sama na, mablos na. Dili pa. Samantha oh. Samantha. please watch my vlog.
Please don't forget
If you
to
have-
click like.
If you have time, I beg you, please watch my vlog.
I beg you.
I beg you,
is
please,
begging you.
please.
Please. Like and hear him.
Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, dali na daw.
Samantha's in a full moon party. Woo!
Hala.
Okay, diri mi sa outlet mall karon. Diri mi mag-lunch.
Birthday ni Jivan.
Birthday ni Jivan Mangunog ng Lilibet. Akong gi-order kay number 75. Ano steamed rice with roasted duck. Then ang beverage is lemon juice. 52 baht. Lemon juice, that's the number sa lemon juice. Number 9. Okay, Siri. 70 plus 52 equals
70 plus 52 is 122.
oh, 122 ra kung magasto. Di ba?
Saan mo?
Pila?
500, 380 man.
120. Pila to ko? 120. Nagulat na lang ko. Ano nag-blur? Ano nag-blur ka? Focus. Oh. So nagulat na lang ko sa akong pagkaon. Kinakadawat na si Kylie sa iyang food.
Vlogging.
Food ni Kylie. Kylie, you're vlogging my vlog.
Huh? What?
You're vlogging my vlogging.
Wait again?
You're vlogging my vlogging.
I'm
Here's the food. The duck.
Very good, sir.
The steamed rice. And what are these? I don't know. Leeks, I don't know. Yep. And some sauce. Cucumber, sorry. Cucumber.
steamed rice.
Yes, some steamed rice. And Zed sleeping with the hands up. So magtuyok-tuyok sa midri sa outlet. Na diri ang mga kasagara nga barato nga mga branded nga mga baligya, mga Nike, Converse, Vans, all of the above. Resa na. Okay, maraming lunch, maraming lag-lag diri. So, mangulit na gid mi. Oh, ano sila? Pwede na sa muli.
Napoy na kayo po. Oh, matuog na ta ko.
Traffic na karon na.
Depende.
Makaligo na gid ko. Maunsa naman akong buhok. Okay, nakaabot namin sa mong Baluarte.
Hello.
Nakaabot na. So, diri na nahuman akong vlog karon.
Good night.
Good night. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Kadush!